Hey everyone, have you heard of AliExpress? It's an incredible platform that brings the world of shopping right to your fingertips. It's like a giant online marketplace where you can find almost anything. Imagine a place where you can shop for a wide range of products without leaving your home. From clothes and gadgets to home decor and toys, they have it all. Whether you're looking for the latest fashion trends, innovative tech gadgets, or unique home decorations, AliExpress has got you covered. And the best part? It's super affordable. You can find great deals and discounts on a variety of items, making it easy to shop without breaking the bank. AliExpress connects buyers like you and me directly with sellers, mostly from China. This direct connection often means lower prices and a more personalized shopping experience. This means you can often find amazing deals that you wouldn't see in regular stores. Plus, the platform frequently offers special promotions and flash sales. Plus, there's so much variety, you're bound to discover something unique. From quirky gadgets to rare collectibles, the options are endless. Ready to dive into the world of AliExpress? Let's go! Start exploring today and see what amazing finds await you. Happy shopping! AliExpress is a big deal, like really big. Imagine a website with over 100 million products for sale. That's AliExpress for you. Millions of people around the world use it every single day. They ship to over 200 countries, including Nepal. Yep, you heard that right. Think of it this way. If AliExpress was a country, it would be one of the most visited places on Earth. Ready to shop? Let's dive into the world of online shopping. It's easier than you think. With just a few clicks, you can have anything you desire delivered right to your doorstep. First, go to the AliExpress website or open their app. It's available on both desktop and mobile, making it super convenient. Then create an account. It's free. Just fill in your details and you're all set to start shopping. Now the fun part, search for what you want. Whether it's electronics, fashion, or home goods, AliExpress has it all. Find something you like? Check the seller's ratings and reviews. This helps ensure you're getting a quality product from a reliable seller. Then choose your size, color, and quantity. Make sure to double-check these options to get exactly what you want. Once you're happy, add it to your cart. Time to check out. Review your cart to make sure everything is correct. Enter your shipping address in Nepal and choose a payment method. AliExpress offers various payment options for your convenience. Click that place order button, and that's it. You did it. Now sit back and relax while your order makes its way to you. Happy shopping! Section 4. Speed bumps on the road to Nepal. Now, while shopping on AliExpress is generally smooth sailing, there are a couple of things to keep in mind when ordering from Nepal. Sometimes, shipping can take a little longer than usual. Don't worry, your package will arrive, but it might take a few weeks. Also, you might have to pay customs duties when your order arrives. But hey, good things come to those who wait, right? Section 5. Shopping hacks for AliExpress ninjas. Ready to master the art of shopping on AliExpress? Let's dive into some essential tips and tricks that will make you a savvy shopper. Want to become an AliExpress pro? Here are some tips. First, always do your research before making a purchase. This means comparing prices, checking for discounts, and reading up on the latest deals. Before you buy anything, always read the product description carefully. This will help you understand exactly what you're getting and avoid any surprises when your package arrives. Pay attention to the size charts, as sizes can vary. It's a good idea to measure yourself and compare your measurements to the size chart provided by the seller. Check the seller's ratings and reviews. This will give you an idea of the seller's reliability and the quality of their products. Look for sellers with high ratings and positive feedback. A seller with a good track record is more likely to provide a positive shopping experience. And don't be shy to contact the seller directly if you have any questions. Clear communication can help you get the information you need and ensure a smooth transaction. You're now ready to conquer the AliExpress universe. With these tips in hand, you'll be able to shop smarter and more confidently. Happy shopping!